channel Twitter Things. As you all know, we have started Lead Code 50 series where we're going to be solve 50 SQL problems which will help you to definitely crack SQL kind of interviews. So as we have far in this series, we have already completed 38 videos in this series. So yeah, so now we are moving into the next problem. Hope you have watching all the videos in this series without skipping any video. So now we are in the video of movie rating problem. So 1341 is the problem number. LeetCode is a platform which will provide you to solve numerous number of coding problems and problem improve to improve your problem solving skills. Let's see this problem statement first, and then we understand the question which they are asking, problem they are asking, and then we'll write down and break down the code into a SQL code. Okay, SQL query. So movies is the table they have given. Movie ID and movie title is there. So movie ID is an integer, title is a varchar, which is movie ID here is a primary key which has a unique values for this table. The title is the name of the movie, okay. And next we have one more table called as the users. The you can see the columns. One is a user ID integer and name is the varchar user name. So user information is in the users table. Here similarly user ID is the primary key which has unique values in this entire table. Column is also have a unique values, name is unique value, and next we'll have movie ratings table. So it is combination of these two tables, that is movie ID and user ID and ratings given by that user for that movie. Okay, and at bottom he has given that is created at date. So these are the all are int types, and then created is the date type. User ID and movie ID is a primary key. One user can give one movie ID rating itself. This movie contains rating of a movie by the user for their review. Created it is the reviews date at what time they have given that review, like that rating, like that. So now what they're asking is write a solution to find the name of the user who has rated the largest number of movies. So for example, if there are five persons, some X like third person have rated more greater number of like all persons have rated only one movie, but third person have rated two or more movies. So like that, that name of the person they are asking in case they are tie. For example, second user and third user have rated two movies, that is a tie. So then turn the lexicographical smaller username. So whichever is the smaller username, that is at what time the username they have like find that name they are asking about. Okay, so yeah, and then lexical is nothing but it's like a smaller username they are asking. So it is in descending order of the name. And next find the movie names with the highest average rating in February. They have given some date at that time the ratings average the rating of the movie. In case of a tie, written a lexicological smaller movie name they want. Okay, if you see the use cases, we will got to know what is their asking about. Smaller username, like how many letters are there. If it's a big name, they have to give only smaller name like that. Okay, let me see the example first. So movies table is there, users table is there, movie IDs are 1 to 3, Avengers, Forza 2, Joker is the movies, users are Daniel, Monica, Maria, James is the users. So movie ratings table is there, some users have rated some movies, and then at particular dates, the results here is Daniel and Frozen. If you see the first user, let me just expand this. See, this is the user ratings. So movie one is there, user one is there, ratings is a three. If you see the name, if you want to see the names, you should go to the user ID. Okay, user table. So Daniel has given rating three for the movie one, and for movie two also he have given. So which person have given more ratings? If you see, um, first person have given like three times. One is repeated as three times, and then two is also three times, and three is only two times, and four is also one time. So one and two, Daniel and Maukia have given much more ratings. So they have rated three movies. So they have rated greatest movies. So three movies they have rated. So if there is a tie, like three movies, right? If the tie, then what they are selecting is name which is smaller that should has come first. So that has came Daniel. And again they're asking one more thing, that is find a movie name with highest average rating in February 2022. In case of I written as Excel small name. In 2020 February, that is second average rating, highest average rating. So which are the movies in February? These two movies, like one and two. These two movies, again one and two and three. So two second movie, which is Frozen 2, and second movie Frozen 2 and Joker has 3.5 rating. Let's see the rating what they have given. So user 2 4 2 plus 4 6 6 by 2, that is 3.5, and then again 3 2 2 4. Yeah, 4 is the rating. Third person haven't given anywhere, right? 2 2, that is 4. 4 by 2, that is 2 only, not like 3.4 when we see. Sorry, we have to check the movies rating, right? That is 3, this 2. 3 plus 4, that is 7, plus by 2, 3.5. And then this 5. Okay, only December, only February, these two. Then second of 5 plus 2, 7, 7 by 2, 3.5. This is 5 plus 2, and then for second user, and for second movie, and for third movie. So 4 plus 3 plus 4, that is 7. Both are 3.5 is the highest rating for both are same. Then a 4 Gen 2, which is a smaller lexicographically name we have displayed. So this is how we have to do. Let me see how we can do the same with the code. Yeah, let me just start with the simple select. What are the things we have to select? We have to select name, right, as results. What is as results? That is name as results. From which table? Users table. You can give alias name as you. From users table is you write some name. Let me have you here. So yeah. Then what we have to do is we have to do left join. We have to hit all the users name, right? So that will be joined with the movie ratings table. We give alias name for these two. And then on what condition we have to join? We have to join on ID, which is user ID. we have to group with name lexical as it said now. So that the time for what we have to do is we have to order by count of rating. So rating the descending and then name as ascending. This is nothing but order by they have given like that lexical such kind of things. Um, only one record, right? Oh, there is a match, only one listening order. So that's why I have given limit. So this satisfy the first case which are they're asking us to find out the name of the user who have rated given the latest largest movies. That is name, listening order with ratings, and then there's a type we have lexical. This is the order with the first if it is happen if there is a type then second will happen that is by name username that is a turning order only one thing we have to return if it's a tie then it will only limit one. So this will satisfy the given case. The same way they are asking one more thing in the same as a result itself. So that's why I have to given like union all. Let me have this into one form one thing. Another thing the same select and we do the same. But this time they have to get the average rating. So that's why the title of the movie related to that, right? That's why we have to take title. Um, just title from the table called movies table or movie just go down. Movies from the movies table. Let me have here as name as them. Movies table results itself. Okay, union all means they columns are the same will come. From movies join with movie ratings on here. No, it will having like movie user ID, right? So we're having like movie ID. Here we have to group with title. Mm, order by now they are asking like average like highest average of rating. So that will be a descending order, and then if there is a match then second condition we have to check is a lexical uh, with a smaller value, right? So that is a title ascending order. This will satisfy the question then limit one. So this will okay. Let me just run this. So these are the two things which they are asking in the same thing. Let's try. Sorry, movie. I haven't changed it. This one. It's my bad. Yeah. Yum. Yum is that as a name for movie. Sorry, what's happened? Yeah, they're asking like, okay, Joker has came, but we have to get codes and two. So let's see what's wrong with the code. Hmm. Okay, the name of the movie, right? Name of the movie that is title itself. Okay, which is a high rating in they have given some particular date, right? So I haven't added that any condition average rating of that, right? So that thing we have to add. Mm. Just I'm giving time so that you guys can think. Yes, here we have to add some weight condition. I'm just showing you like what we have is you might guess or not. So here date format of we have to check that at what time that has created we have created it they have given, right? So date format of created it comma, so that year y with m should match. Sorry, this is not capital M, that is small m. So this should match is equal to 2020 or 0 February, right? So this is how we have can check that. So I hope now that fix it, right? So with February, without February, it will be on Avenger 2. So now with Joker, now it will be Force Z2 for February's they have given. So that is how we can run this particular thing. Let me just submit this. So this is how we can do simply just taking results from the one table. Lexical is nothing but if this is the tie, then the second order will satisfy. So if we give limit one, then if it's a tie, that only first record with that thing will come. So this is how we can solve this particular problem. Hope you have understood this problem. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. We're definitely happy to reply your comments, and that will boost up our confidence to give much more videos like this. That's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching our videos. Let me share. Let you please share our videos to your friends and colleagues so that instead of secret things, and you can watch all the videos in our channel. So that will definitely help you if you are at the next stage of secret things. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.